First, fast, accurate. You're watching WSBT Channel 22 News at 5:30.
The trial in a 25-year-old cold case will soon be in the hands of a jury. The defense rested late this afternoon.
39-year-old Jason Tibbs is accused of murdering teenager Raina Ryson back in 1993. Earlier today, the LaPorte County judge ruled a disturbing police report from 1989 would not be allowed to be entered into evidence. That police report, though, was not about Jason Tibbs. It was about Ryson's brother-in-law, Ray McCarty, and the report is a statement signed by Raina Ryson, who was 13 years old at the time. In the report, she tells police that McCarty threatened to kill her if she told anyone about their sexual relationship. Annie Chang was in the court today.
The judge decided the jury will not be allowed to see or hear about Ryson's 1989 statement, calling it irrelevant to this trial. The prosecution agrees, saying it's considered hearsay.
A hearsay statement from 1989 that was contained in a police report from back then. And clearly under the rules of evidence, that should not come in.
But the defense says the jury should know about it.
It relates directly to Ray denying he ever threatened to kill Raina. So in terms of his denial, we think it's relevant to show that he's lying once again.
The defense continued to focus on McCarty rather than Tibbs as they questioned the lead detective in this case, Brett Airy. They asked him, were you aware there was a prior suspect named Ray McCarty? Airy said yes. Did you attempt to verify his alibi? Airy said no. Airy also testified he did not reach out to other law enforcement who worked on the Ryson case in the past. He said he did not speak to McCarty at all until after Tibbs was arrested. During cross-examination, the prosecution asked him, was it because those leads have already been exhausted, referring to McCarty? Airy said yes. Had there been any new information about Ray McCarty? Airy said no. And this is the statement that has been in question. Again, jury is not allowed to see or hear anything about this statement. Closing statements are expected to take place first thing tomorrow morning. Reporting live from LaPorte County, I'm Annie Chang, WSBT 20.